believe that unilateralism is too expensive and open dialogue is too slow. So if elected, I will go with text messaging. I will text our allies just to say hi. And text our enemies when they're driving. OMG, you're building a nuclear weapon? But you're doing it wrong, LOL. I just want to thank radio TV correspondent David Denner for having me here tonight, and this is the first time I wish my son knew what I was doing. Thank you so much and have a very good night. Thank you, Linda Scott.